Okay, y'all, I'm back. Grease is getting hot now. Okay. The bugs are going in the flour. Show everybody I'm telling the truth. Here they go. Down to the last rodent. There they are. Okay. Grease back on the fire, on the heat. Yeah. There we go. Actually, I'm going to dump them into this. Shift them out. Here they are. Okay. They're frying up. Turn the heat up a little bit. Okay, everyone. Frying them up. I told you I was going to do it. So, the way I look at it is it can't kill me. If I don't like the first one, I won't eat the rest of it. I got a bunch of different spices in there. I even added a little taco seasoning. And I don't know how long you need to cook, but if you ever wonder, when you live with a woman that's a clean freak, you better clean the stove while you're cooking. Right now I have flour everywhere. That's a no-no. So, they smell good. They don't look half bad so far. me get my sea salt. I got the sea salt. And let me get Shan said it stinks already. And the black pepper. You're probably smelling all the spices I got on it, because it actually smells really good when you're in here. Come here and look at them. How good they look. Yeah, come here and look at them. Okay, there's one of them. A little salt. A little pepper. You guys want to see me try the first one? Yep. Come here. Babe. Hey, babe. You want to see me try the first one? I'm going to do it right here on my camera. There it is. There's the wings and all. I left the wings on some of them.
It's crunchy. Don't look bad cooked.
Oh.
You can do it. Don't look at it.
So 1, 2, 3. Oh my God.
They say they're good.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
What does it taste like?
Like peanut. Tastes just like a peanut. Oh my God, that is amazing. Guys, it literally tastes like a peanut. It tastes like peanuts.
Get me that real dark one right there.
Literally. Honey, your mom's going to try it.
No guts, no glory.
Oh my God. Want a little salt and pepper?
Yep. Just salt.
This is my mother-in-law, Tony. It's hot now. Wait a minute, let me get you on camera. My mother-in-law, Tony. She's going to try one. She's going to eat a cicada.
That is good.
It is good, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. Tastes like a pork rind.
Yeah. Guys, she's a trooper. She ate one with me.
Oh my gosh.
Who would have thought?
Now I know.
Yep. Now we know, don't we?
Yep. Oh my gosh.
Who would have thought?
Who would have thought?
Wow. I got the grease too hot.
That's okay. Mine tasted excellent. I ate one.
Now you can tell your friend you ate a cicada.
I can tell my friends I ate one of them. What do they call it?
Cicada.
Cicada.
Bryce! Come here.
I am shocked.
I cannot believe this. How good they taste. Mmm.
That's what I'm saying.
That is amazing.
Nothing like what your mind is telling you it's going to taste like.
Honey, come here and try one. Your mom just ate one.
Shannon, it's good. It tastes like eating pork rind.
Oh my God. Here's one with the wings. Want another one? So you tried one, that was enough, huh?
Yeah, but I mean,
Watch it, that's hot.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that is really good. Mmm. I mean, it's not bad.
No.
Who would have thought? Oh man. Here's a big one.
That's a big one. That was nice and crunchy.
Who would have thought that? That's amazing.
I'm going to tell my friends.
Mmm.
So, anything goes off and you're running out of food and stuff, just go out in your yard and get some bugs.
Yeah, right?
Oh, Shannon, it tastes like eating a pork rind. It's good. It tastes nothing like what you think in your mind it would.
Mmm. That is really good.
I'm amazed. I had to try it.
I could not believe it.
I know.
Your granny just ate 2 of them. They are amazing.
Yes.
Come here and try one. I wouldn't hurt you.
I want to try it.
Just try a little one. They're amazing.
I hate insects.
Right?
I didn't want to touch it whenever I had to get them off the chicken coop door so I could open it.
Try this little tiny one. Hey, you can spit it out, but you'll be surprised what it tastes like.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Try one. Here.
It's so nasty.
Just try one.
It's so nasty.
I wouldn't hurt you, Price. She ate 2 of them.
I know it's not going to hurt me, but it's just disgusting.
Hey, you can't look at it. It looks
I
like.
don't want to look at it.
Don't even look at it.
Yeah.
Eat
It's so
it.
nasty.
Just try it. I'm telling you, it don't even look like a bug.
It looks like a turtle that got deep fried.
Come on, Price. No guts, no glory.
She ate 2 of them.
Yeah, that doesn't apply to me.
Mmm.
I know. You've been raised wrong.
That is amazing.
I'm going to spit it out instantly, most likely, so please don't be...
Tell you what, give it, chew it up a couple times, and you'll see. It don't even have the flavor of a bug. Nothing.
It doesn't have the texture of it either.
It's great.
We talking about doesn't have the texture of a bug. It was squishy.
It's not squishy though.
That is good.
No, that was squishy.
Well, guys, I told you I was going to do it. And I did it.
You did it.
If you guys would open your mind up and try something new, you would see there's a lot more stuff out there that's sustainable. And this is awesome. I love each and every one of y'all.
And look at all that protein we just ate.
Right, all this protein.
Pure protein.
Thanks y'all for watching. Bye.